This is Antarctica, a place shrouded in mystery for centuries. From blood waterfalls and strange animals to underground lakes and cities buried beneath the ice, many myths and mysteries about Antarctica remain unsolved. It's the only continent in the world without permanent human residence, as temperatures can plummet to -90 degrees Celsius. Additionally, snowstorms here can reach speeds of 300 kilometers per hour, making Antarctica the driest continent in the world. Surprisingly, it is also considered a desert, receiving only 51 mm of rain annually. Despite these harsh conditions, many countries have attempted to claim parts of Antarctica for hundreds of years. Looking at this map, France claims this section, Norway claims another, and Australia lays claim to the entire right side. Similarly, Britain, Chile, Argentina, and New Zealand have their own claims. But why? What is beneath this ice that the world's superpowers are eager to control? Today, we will unravel some of Antarctica's mysteries and explore who truly discovered it. Lastly, we will uncover the secrets beneath the ice that the world's superpowers are keen to control. The question of who discovered Antarctica varies depending on who you ask. The British claim the discovery, while the Russians assert they were the first to set foot there. However, Greek philosopher Aristotle mentioned Antarctica thousands of years ago, stating that the Earth is round and that the North and South poles mirror each other. In 2021, a study by the Royal Society of New Zealand suggested that the Maori people from Polynesian islands near Australia might have reached Antarctica in the 7th century, as their ancient stories describe an icy continent to the south. In recorded history, British officer James Cook was the first European to cross the Antarctic Circle and approach Antarctica. However, he turned back 130 kilometers away, seeing only icebergs floating in the water. The treacherous seas made it too dangerous to proceed. Captain Cook predicted that reaching this southern continent was so perilous that perhaps no human would ever go there. After Cook, many others attempted to discover Antarctica but failed. In the 19th century, competition for economic dominance intensified among countries. The world was moving toward a new order with discoveries of resources and new trade routes, and industries were emerging. Every country aspired to become a superpower, leading to a surge in explorations. In 1819, the Russian Empire tasked explorer Fabian von Bellingshausen to circumnavigate the globe and discover new lands. In 1820, Bellingshausen proved Cook wrong by coming very close to Antarctica in the Southern Ocean. Although he did not set foot on the continent, he is considered the first person in modern history to see it. Between 1900 and 1920, many explorers ventured to Antarctica. In 1911, British explorer Robert Falcon Scott and his team landed in Antarctica and traveled almost 400 miles, but bad weather and hunger forced them to turn back. The return journey proved fatal as Scott and his team perished in severe cold and snowstorms. After World War I, many countries sent teams to claim this continent. In 1939, under Hitler's orders, the German Air Force dropped Nazi flags to assert control over the area. Following World War II, numerous countries established research stations in Antarctica, leading to mysterious discoveries. The first and most significant discovery was that Antarctica was once covered in dense forests. Scientists from Imperial College London found fossilized wood, indicating that 90 million years ago, Antarctica was a warm continent with dense forests. They also discovered fossils of insects native to warm regions. The second major discovery was the existence of 400 lakes beneath the 3 kilometers thick ice, each with its own ecosystem. Unique marine animals such as large spiders and transparent jellyfish thrive in this hidden world beneath the ice. Another puzzling phenomenon was the blood waterfalls in the McMurdo Valley. The water, rich in iron, comes from a very salty lake buried under several hundred feet of ice. When it reaches the surface, the iron oxidizes, giving the water a rust-like color. The third major mystery and conspiracy theory is that an ancient civilization might be buried under the ice. Some claim to have seen alien spaceships in Antarctica. In 2016, unusual activities recorded in Antarctica led some conspiracy theorists to speculate about UFOs, while political experts believe these are secret air operations by the US and other countries. This brings us to the hidden political front of Antarctica, which few are aware of. While the world grapples with other geopolitical issues, the US, China, and the Soviet Union have aggressively sent expeditions to Antarctica. China has even established multiple research stations there. According to the Antarctic Treaty of 1969, any country can conduct scientific investigations in Antarctica, but they must share their findings with all countries. In 1992, a survey by the US Geological Department revealed that Antarctica has reserves of 500 billion barrels of natural gas and oil. However, recent discoveries of large quantities of rare earth minerals such as osmium, praseodymium, terbium, and dysprosium have piqued China's interest. These minerals are crucial for electronic devices, and as the world's focus shifts from oil and gas to electronic energy resources, the demand for these minerals has surpassed that for oil and gas. Electric cars and iron batteries are the future, and this race to control the future has drawn superpowers to Antarctica's icy storms. The last mysterious discovery is the Southern Ocean, one of the world's most dangerous seas. It controls the climate and water supply of our planet, connecting with the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The Southern Ocean absorbs 15% of the world's carbon emissions, and with global warming, its importance is increasing as the ice melts, revealing many treasures. These once unreachable seas are set to become vital trade routes. Many studies are ongoing in Antarctica, and who knows what more mysteries will be uncovered in the future. If you enjoy such topics, please let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video with another interesting topic. Take care.